In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your availability and save your regular hours. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to change, and how to make those changes stick so your schedule matches your real-life availability. First, head to the Availability section. Look for a tab or menu item labeled Availability, often found in the main navigation or the sidebar. It may have a calendar or clock icon beside it. Click on Availability to open the page where your schedule can be managed. If you've just made other changes elsewhere, give the page a second to load so everything is up to date. Once you're in the Availability view, it's time to edit the time on the dates you need. You'll usually see a calendar layout or a weekly grid. Click on the specific date you want to modify, then adjust the start and end times to reflect when you're available. Some pages let you type the times directly, others use sliders or draggable time blocks. Make sure you're selecting the correct day and confirming AM versus PM if the system uses a 12-hour clock. If you notice a time zone indicator, double check that it matches your location so your availability is shown correctly to anyone booking with you. If you're making changes to multiple dates, move through each one at your own pace, keeping your recurring patterns in mind. For example, if you're later on Tuesdays or you're unavailable on certain holidays, reflect that right here. Take a moment to scan the entire week so you don't miss a day, and keep an eye out for overlapping times, which some systems won't allow. When you're happy with the set hours for each date, pause to review. Do the blocks accurately show when you want to be available, and are the breaks, if any, represented the way you intend? When everything looks right, click Save Regular Hours. This action tells the system to keep these hours as your default going forward, so you won't have to re-enter them each time. After you click, wait for a confirmation message or a brief success indicator. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment or refresh the page to confirm the update. Remember, saving your regular hours applies your preferred schedule consistently, while any one-off changes you made to specific dates will apply only to those dates. That's it. You clicked on availability, edited the time on the dates you needed, and then saved your regular hours. With those steps, your calendar should now reflect your true availability, making scheduling smoother and more reliable for you and anyone booking